Shri Paramahansa Swami Advaitanand Ji Maharaj, also known as Shri Paramahansa Dayal Maharaj Ji, born Shri Ram Yad, was born in Chhapra city, India. Shri is known as the first spiritual master of the Shri Paramahansa Advait Mat. He was born on the day of Ramanavami and was therefore named Ramya. His father was scholar Pandit Tulsi Pathak. His mother died a few months after his birth, so he was brought up by his father's disciple Lala Narhari Prasad, while Shri Narhari Prasad arranged his education. Shri Ram Yad learned about Sanskrit, Hindi, and Arabic. When Ram Yad was 5, his father died. Paramahansa Swamiji gave Diksha to him and taught him about Brahma Vidya. When he was 11 years old, Narhari Prasad died, and after some years, his wife also died. He was the only rightful successor of both families, but at the age of 16, he left his home and went to the forests of Bihar for meditation. In Jaipur, in 1883, he met the 90-year-old Swami Anandapuri Ji, who taught him the Kriya of Pranayam and Yoga. He reportedly wrote in Urdu on a paper, "Accept Paramahansa Ramya." He named him as his spiritual successor to his seat. He travelled from place to place and carried the message of Sahaj Yoga, Bhakti and service. He stayed at Jaipur for a long time and started his spiritual preaching and uplifting the people there, attracting many followers there. As a wandering monk, he covered Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, etc. to teach Sahaj Yoga and Bhakti. The ashrams, temples, founded by him were called Krishna Dwaras. Sant Matanuyai Ashram, Garhwa Ghat, Varanasi, Brahma Vidyalay and Ashram, Chotka Rajpur, Buxar, Advait Swarup Ashram, Paramahansa Satyarthi Dham, Rajyog Mandir, Shanti Mohalla, Delhi, and Shri Anandpur Satsang Ashram are all related to him. He attained Nirvana on 10th July 1919 after transferring succession of the seat to Swami Swarupanand Ji. He had promised to his devotee Seth Amirchand that he would sacrifice his body and take Samadhi at his place. A sacred Samadhi shrine was built there in Tehri, KP, Pakistan. After the partition in 1947, his devotees shifted the center to Anandpur in Madhya Pradesh. 2020 Karak temple attack on 30th December 2020. The Samadhi of Shri Paramahansa Ji Maharaj, a revered Hindu saint, and the Krishna Dwara temple situated in the Tehri village in the Karak district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan was attacked and burned by a mob of 1,500 local Muslims led by a local Islamic cleric. Following the incident, in order to avoid similar attack on worship places of minorities, the Protection of the Rights of Religious Minorities Bill was introduced in the Senate of Pakistan. The bill was ultimately turned down by the Senate Standing Committee on Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony chaired by Jamiat Ulema Islam, FJUIF, Senator Abdul Ghafoor Haidari. If you are interested to watch such video, please like, share and subscribers to this YouTube channel. Thanks.